So we've got this outdoor covered patio, and it's great, and we like to lay out here in the hammock on hot days and read. But the problem has always been that the walls will sometimes block the breeze, so it can actually be warmer underneath the overhang than if we were out in the yard. So I found this little fan, and it's perfect. The issue that we've had before is that I'm going to turn it up here. You can see it'll start moving the leaves around. That's how much air it's moving around. But the problem we've had before is that the ceiling is too low and we can't mount a traditional fan. And then also where the electrical box is, it's just the switch for the light. So I didn't even...
Bueno, miren pues, entonces esto se mantiene el switch abierto, ¿sí o no? Entonces prende la luz y hay 3 formas de luz, pero lo puede apagar. Y el ventilador, tranquilos que lo de arriba está bien ajustado, ya Moisés lo verificó. Y hay 3 formas. Vea, hasta allí que se mueven las hojas, se acaba de volar algo. Y ya, eso se mueve ahí un poquito, pero no está bien ajustado, así que no hay que hacer nada. No hubo que cambiar ni quitar la...
It's doing that because there were actually 2 different remotes for these lights, and I'm just using one.
De hecho, que ocasionó un paro cardiorrespiratorio. Se pensó que Gonzalo estaba en ese vecindario buscando drogas, armas, aventuras. Jugaba para los AA de Reading. Tenía potencial. Las grandes ligas lo invitaron a entrenar. Ganó un bono en la última temporada. El pad de Eddie estaba a un lado del cadáver. Este pudo ser el arma que produjo las contusiones.
You then have some another upset. Are you not meant to be the smart one? You believe
I have my own ceiling fan.
They treated me like a real person, not a number.
There really was a team working with me.
You can get out of debt.
Awesome addition to the garage.